Alright, so we are going to fly the duck, this duck à l'orange again. And Wesley is doing some testing of the camera. You might want to back up a little bit. And we're going to see how this new camera works, especially since our power system for our run cam thumb has decided to eat itself. So we won't be able to get video from that today. So, flight number 2 with the SeaDuck. Pre-flight. Everything seems to work.
Trainer signal lost.
And we'll head on out.
Why'd it go black?
The screen goes black to save battery.
Oh.
Alright, you ready?
Yeah.
Whoa. A little squirrely.
I'm just gonna hope this is recording, because I can't see where it's actually recording.
Yeah.
I think I'm capturing
So
the
if
duck.
you look at the bottom, there's a little red light. It should be blinking.
Yeah, it's blinking. I'm just trying to make sure I keep the SeaDuck.
Well, remember, it's got that really wide angle lens, so you just got to point it in the general direction and we can re-aim it after the video is recorded.
Yeah. Except this is on single lens. It's not on 360.
Did I just open the door or did I close it?
I can't tell. Not from here.
Alright, let me do another low pass. Oh, that wasn't that low.
4 minutes.
Let's try that again.
That was low.
It was pretty low. Let's see if we can get a rotation on a flat spin. Sort of.
It is pretty fun so far. Even though I'm just standing here with the camera.
You know it records audio too, buddy.
Yeah, I know. I know it's recording audio.
You think touch and go?
Sure.
Right in front of us?
Yes.
Let's do that again.
Okay.
Duck does not like to fly inverted very
3
well.
minutes.
Nope.
At least not with a lot of throttle. What do you think? Should we switch to some Ultrix silliness now?
Sure.
Just make sure we're nice and warmed up before we try to maiden the other 3 planes.
Yeah. Land this and fly the Ultrix.